Good morning, dear students. In last period, we have studied about using cut, copy, and paste option, undo and redo operations. Now we will study advanced selections options. Now see which are the advanced selection options. In this section, we will discuss the advanced selection options, namely select all, invert selection, delete, and transparent selection. First of all, we will see using select all option. The select all option is used to select the whole image. You have to select the whole image. Once you select the whole image, you can then use the cut or the copy command to select the entire image. Follow these steps. Some steps you have to follow. Number one, on the home tab you have to click the down arrow under the select button in the image group. See here, in the image group you have to select button in the click on the down arrow under the select button in the image group. A sub menu will appear like this. See here, a sub menu will appear. All types of options are there: rectangular selection, free-form selection, select all, transparent selection, delete, invert selection. All the options are present here. Number 2, click select all options. After that you have to click on select all options. The entire image is selected. The entire image is selected. See here, this image is selected entire. A dotted line appears at the boundary of the drawing area. A dotted line appears at the boundary of the drawing area. See here, this is the drawing area. All entire image is selected. Now see here, students, using invert selection option. Now you have to use invert selection option. The invert selection option is used to select everything in the picture except of the currently selected area. To invert the selection, follow these steps. You have to follow some steps. Number 1, select any part of the image using rectangular selection tool. You have to, by the use of rectangular selection tool, you have to select any part of the image. See here, selected one part of the image. Or free from selection tool, Number 2, on the home tab, click the down arrow under the select button in the image group. A sub menu appears. After that, number 3, click invert selection option. You have to click on invert selection option. The unselected portion of the image is selected. Now see, this type the image will be selected. Now see here, using delete option. Now you have to use the delete option. The delete option is used to delete the selected portion of an image. It is also used in combination with the selection tool to delete a selected portion of an image. Follow these steps. Now see here, number 1, select the portion of the image that you want to delete. You have to first of all select that portion of the image that you want to delete. Number 2, on the home tab, click the down arrow under the select button in the image group. Sub menu will appear. Number 3, click delete option. You have to click on delete option. The selected portion of the image is selected. Now see here, see this picture, this is selected and that part is deleted in next picture. Now see this pictures, selected image is deleted. Now see, using transparent selection option. Now you have to use transparent selection option. The transparent selection option is used to make the selection transparent so that no background color is selected. This option is helpful in moving or copying a portion of an image or an entire image from one location to another. To use this option, follow these steps. You have to follow some steps. Number 1, on the home tab, click the down arrow under the select button in the image group. A sub menu will appear like this. See here, this is the sub menu. Select, all the options are there: rectangular selection, free from selection, select all, transparent selection. This is all the options. Number 2, click transparent selection option. A check mark appears in the front of this option. Number 3, select any portion of the image that you want to cut or copy. Number 4, on the home tab, click cut or copy button in the clipboard group. Then afterwards, number 5, click the paste button in the clipboard group. The cut or the copied image appears on the top left corner of the drawing area. After that, 6. Click and drag the pasted image to the desired location. You have to click and drag the pasted image to the desired location. See here, without using transparent selection, this image will be looking like this without using transparent selection. And see this image now. Using transparent selection, it will be looking like this. See this, it will look like this by using transparent selection, and this image is without using transparent selection.